Today's May 25th, 2019, and this is episode 144 of PlaneSavers. PlaneSavers. I was going to say good morning, but it's good afternoon, folks. It is Saturday, and today is a beautiful day. This is not too hot, a little bit of wind, but the sun's out. It's awesome. I got to work on my hoodie tan. I don't know if you can see that, but you can see my hands white. Definitely got a hoodie tan. It's almost time to take the hoodie off, folks. And here we are, another day on DTD, and we got a special guest today. What?
You do?
Stella's cousin Mike, all the way from New York City.
How's it going, everybody?
How's it going? You got been a couple people watching at home?
Oh, lots of people. I need to get a shout out to Mrs. Burchell Fox, Mrs. Chin, all the people up at the fellowship, John from the ambulance, and of course my own family. Hi to Rachel and Irene. It's great weather here. Sorry you couldn't be here.
Well, that's awesome. That's New York, folks. We got viewers in New York. That's pretty crazy. Right. And we got William here.
Yeah.
William, what are you guys working on?
We'll try to remove this little bracket to replace these rift nut. The screws are broke inside. They're broke inside. Yeah, so that's the plan.
The number one question everyone's asking: where's Benjamin?
Let's make Ronnie call him.
Benjamin's MIA. I don't know if he's spending time with his family, but we're feeling left out right now. So, Mike, first, how's everything going? Your first day? Second day,
super.
Actually.
Second day. I continued the family tradition. I painted some panels, and now I'm moving up in the world, and I'm doing some mechanical work over here. So it's good. Great people, nice weather. I'm happy to be here.
Sweet, sweet, sweet. Cool. Well, I'll continue to look for Benjamin. We got Dominic's in there. Dominic, what you working on in there?
Pushing some grommets in back in place for the cables, the trim cables.
Oh, Bobby got a video of you earlier, eh?
Yeah, we were down there spotting for a missing one, and we gotta find them those part numbers and order them.
Sounds good. Okay, so let's go to that Bobby's video now.
Dominic, what's going on today?
Maybe two of the the grommets are missing, so we need to replace those.
Control cables?
Yep. We've got only one big one here.
Oh, there they are. There they are.
Right there.
Yep.
There's two, and there should be three for this cable.
So today we're checking the control cables.
Yep. Making sure.
Fair leads and all the grommets to keep everything off the steel.
Yeah, exactly.
Thank you for that. As Benoit, taking pictures of me, taking pictures of him. This could go on forever.
So look, folks, the tail cone's on. I think they might have to come off one more time. There's a couple of rib nuts they wanted to change in there. It's going really, really good, folks. Everything's going good. We had Simon on the wingtip up there. Cool. How's it going, Simon? What's happening?
Good. Classes are over. Gave my last exam yesterday, so I have like that thick of exam to correct. But now it's DTD time. I'm fixing the right and nav light support, and that's it pretty much. Pretty excited that now the plane is in a flyable condition. So yeah, may technically fly. Not legally for now, but it's coming. So basically, yeah, it's we're close to the end. But you know, it's like everything, like devils in details. You know, sometimes. But I think that due to the pretty low level of technology or complexity of this plane, I mean, it should go nice. You know, this thing's not stuffed with a lot of computers and like nice fancy avionic things, so should be nice and straight.
I like your hat.
Oh yeah, it's Pratt & Whitney.
Right on.
Thank you.
That's awesome. That's one thing about Pratt & Whitney. I love that they haven't really changed their logo much. You've seen some of the original Pratt & Whitney logos. It looks a little bit different, but still they've kept the same thing the entire time. Yeah, so like Simon said, we are, this airplane can theoretically fly right now. Like I was saying earlier, if a zombie apocalypse happens, this airplane can go. But right now, paperwork, that's what I'm working on, folks. Huge news. Yesterday evening, Transport Canada approved our maintenance schedule, which is huge news, because it is Michael McBryan's maintenance schedule. So it's very cool. Very cool to have my own maintenance schedule for a DC-3. It might be, I don't know, is it the only, am I the only private DC-3 owner in the world with his own maintenance schedule? Not a company, not an organization. Could be. Let me know if there's any other DC-3s that are got their maintenance schedule under their own name. It's kind of crazy, but probably not the most practical, but that's what we're doing, folks. I love it. So a huge thank you to everybody at Transport Canada that's been helping behind the scenes. These A+, man, A++++. So everything is going super good. My favorite part is Dominic's t-shirt here. So I see Bobby's got some video of you in the cockpit. So
Yes.
Bobby's been helping out, doing some video.
Yeah.
So let's do a little bit of a time travel and go see what you're up to in the cockpit.
Okay. Good.
Bonjour Dominique, je m'appelle Mikey. Je suis ici pour prendre une petite vidéo. Qu'est-ce que vous faites là?
I did a little cutout. Just a little cutout for the communication system or GPS, I don't remember. To install a new system, a new radio. And before I did the cutout, I did a protection to make sure I got no chips and filing and everything into the control, into the on the other side I did the same thing, protect everything to make sure I got no sawdust, whatever, into the the control. I have to keep everything clean.
C'est excellent.
It's an aviation, you know.
Excellent.
You don't
Okay,
want-
merci.
You don't want spark.
No kidding. Okay, we'll come back and see the progress later on.
Yeah, you're gonna see a little hole. You're gonna see light.
Excellent. Merci. Bye bye.
So, hello Mikey from PlaneSavers Airport, Bielefeld, Germany. In 1.5 weeks we hope to see DTT flying, and that's now our last chance to say thumbs up for your great episodes. 143 every night is wonderful. Before we go to bed in Germany we see PlaneSavers, and yeah, what should we say? All my friends, all my colleagues from Germany with all the old airplanes are very enthusiastic. They prepare every weekend, they have aircraft, think about plane saving, do a lot of maintenance work, polishing the aircrafts, and yeah, we are all so happy that you give us so much inspiration for plane saving. And now we would like to say you good luck for the flight on 6th of June. We are looking forward. The whole Dakota Inn team from Germany. They did a great PlaneSavers pizza. Oh, it's not so easy to take on the... Yeah, wonderful stuff every evening, every night. Mikey, and do us a favor, Marcus would like to say you something about the future of plane saving.
Hey Mikey, you can't let us down. We've been watching PlaneSavers for 140 days now. Plan, episode, and season number 2. Looking forward to that. Thumbs up. Good luck on GTA.
So, now we need the cry, plane saving forever. Bye bye, Mikey. PlaneSavers. Good luck for the 6th of June. Make a good shot, make a good landing. Good luck to Joe, and see you soon. Carsten, all the stuff from Bielefeld, Germany. Bye bye.
How quickly the weather changes, folks. It is currently raining here, but huge thank you to Carsten there in Germany, sending his last video. Always love getting the videos from the Dakota Inn. Very cool. I got a surprise for you. Let's go learn a little bit more about the CF100 behind me.
Hello Mikey, I'm Gil McCauley. I'm the president of the Musée d'Aérospatiale du Québec. Our aim is to be able to restore and preserve our history through artifacts such as this, so that we can motivate the young generation to be able to engage into the labor of love for aerospace industry. So this one is the very last one aircraft flew of the type in the world. So it was mounted at the entrance of the base ended up in a backyard, and we were able to salvage it. And we have a long road ahead. But looking at the result of DDT, we're quite inspired. Thanks.
That's awesome. So this aircraft, the last CF-100 to fly
in the world,
one of the last built too, correct?
There was about 30 more after that.
Yeah.
But this one is the last one that flew.
Last
because
one
it was
that flew.
on loan to Pratt & Whitney, Canada, to use as a test bed for the engine JT-15.
Oh, really?
That was used on business jets.
Oh, sweet. So I know that because of the comments, a lot of people have been sending stuff. I know my buddy Chris in North Bay has found some mission records for the aircraft. He's already talking to Pierre. And, you know, we've been so behind on emails, but I know a lot of people have been sending stuff. So definitely, if you know any more about this aircraft or this aircraft type, or if you have any landing gear, let us know.
Landing gear.
Landing gear. Still trying to convince these guys to see if they can get it flying, but I think that's about $2 million and a lot of love. But this airplane's going to have a lot of love. I wish you guys the best love or luck in the world, and
thank you.
Good luck and have fun.
Thank you, and you're an inspiration.
Jeez, don't say that. Well, folks, the weather is still not cooperating that much, but luckily Benoit is in a hangar, and he's got a very cool Harvard or a T6 Texan for our friends south of the border. Let's go to his video here right now.
Hi everybody, Benoit here in La Chute. I am with a Harvard Mark IV behind me. We are going to talk a little more about this aircraft in a few minutes.
Yes, hi, I'm Olivier Lacombe. I fly Dash 8 Classic at Jazz, and I'm the owner of the Harvard that's behind me. So it's a Harvard Mark IV, built in 1952 in Thunder Bay by a Canadian car and founder, and the aircraft's been in the family since for the past 40 years, actually.
There is more in common between the DC-3 and the T6 than you can think at first sight. The wing has been designed by the same engineer. There is a center section and a wing which is attached by nuts and bolts. The flaps themselves are looking like a reduced version of the ones that are on the C-47. The structure is identical too. Even the wing landing light has the same design than on the DC-3.
Well, thank you, Benoit, for the video. William, what's happening? Where's Benjamin?
Inside.
Oh, Benjamin's inside?
Yeah, he's inside.
Oh, geez, just in time. Yeah. Benjamin will be able to give the goodbye. Okay, folks, so that is Saturday. A lot of work was done inside. Thank you to all the volunteers that came out. Again, thank you to ENA for being amazing, giving us this awesome spot, letting us use the hangar for our PlaneSavers, what do we used to call it? Headquarters, world headquarters. And yeah, let's go find Benjamin. Oh, there's Ronnie. And Dominic. Oh. There he is right there. You see Benjamin anywhere?
Yeah, there.
There he is. Okay, folks. Whew. Dominic working his tail off today on his day off. Thank you, Dominic. And the other Dominic. Two Dominics working on the plane today. But, Benjamin.
Yes.
How's it going?
It's going great. I'm making the doubler today for the GPS, like I said on yesterday's episode, with my new friend. So that's good.
Sounds good. Yeah. So just in time to say goodbye in the video.
Oh.
You want to do the goodbye?
All right. So thanks everyone for today's video, for being a part of this project. See you tomorrow. Bye.
Hey, Bobby.
Yes, sir. Hey, we do have a few Zorendas sitting in the field in various conditions. I will check to see if we have any. Like those models are not the most desirable. Oh, neat. If we have any, I will get back to you. I have 10 for my shop right now. These are using the saver to the 100. Also, although we have no aircraft parts, we have quite a collection of engine parts. Agent Zed, my buddy. Right on, man. Thank you. Thank you. Look at that. Neat.
Have you talked to Agent Z or Z?
No, not yet, but I've seen all his videos. Fantastic. Thank you very much.
So Bobby's looking for the Renda for the Tudor.
Yep.
And which model again was it?
The J85 Canadian built in the Renda.
There you go, Agent Z. Thank you for watching. So Agent Z is the one with the Iroquois engine that did...
Or his boss at SNS. I don't know how that place works, but anyway, yes, they have the Iroquois.
Because, yeah, I watched that video of going over to Europe and it was all disassembled and everything.
I don't know how they managed to. I think they traded a B-25 for that or something. Yeah. Fantastic. Thank you for saving that engine, bringing it back here, man.
Very cool. Thanks for watching.
Awesome.